Hey, what's up YouTube? Stan here. Welcome back to the channel. So today got a short unboxing video. So what I have in front of me is the Burly brand shock for Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. Before the unboxing, I want to shout out to Mike. I think his YouTube channel is Life of Birch. I was watching his video. That's how I found out, information about this brand. And if you follow my channel, you see my previous video. I have a problem with the rear fender. Even after like 12 click, 11, I think I have like 12 click on it, but it's still, hitting the bolt, and it end up messing up my rear fender. The seller already replaced me with a new fender, but I haven't had a chance to put on, but I'm going to put it on maybe this weekend, also with the shocks. So hopefully that way, a little bit of story. Every time when I'm riding on highway, if I'm doing like 50, 60, when I hit a bump, I have to stand up. So hopefully this will fix the issue, less back pain, and, everything runs smoothly. So without further ado, let's open it up. I like the boxing, pretty nice. Over here, they do come with some kind of, lubricant or something. That's the tool that, for you to adjust the preload. Instructions. You got some metal bushing, I guess. We're gonna need this. For the model number, I checked with the last two digits. Anything with 50 or 53 or maybe 55, those are not made for Honda Rebel. So the only 54 with the model number, those are actually made for Honda Rebel. There it is. Oh, it looks kind of nice. Damn, they are heavy too. Right, let me just take it out. They are pretty heavy. At least 15 pounds, give and take. You got the Burly brand logo. Black on top, red on bottom. I like the design. I like the color. So this is the two spring, the top and bottom, two separate spring. Here you can adjust the pillow. And here's the model number, so B281254. This is the one for Honda Rebel. I emailed manufacturer, asked them is 1250 or 1255 or 1253 gonna fit? They say no, that's not made for Honda Rebel. So if you test it out, if it fit, let me know. But here it is. Like I said, it's very heavy, very sturdy. Yep, I can't wait to put it on, test it out. So I'm gonna have riding video with me giving some feedback on the shock. So stay tuned for that. And there you go. That's it. Peace out. See you guys on the next video. Goodbye.